Hello everybody, welcome to AtNet Physics by Your Video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Oscillations. The question is, the length of a second's pendulum on the surface of the earth is 0.9 meter. The length of the same pendulum on the surface of a planet X such that the acceleration of the planet X is n times greater than the earth is how much? Okay, that's A 0.9 into n because it is n times greater, is it not? B 0.9 divided by n, 0.9 n square m and 0.9 by n square. Okay, that's all. So these are all the four options. You know that. What is a second pendulum? Second pendulum is a pendulum, simple pendulum, for which the time period of oscillation is 2 seconds. Okay. Only if you know this information, you can solve this problem. So for a second pendulum, capital T is equal to, for any simple pendulum, 2 pi into square root of L by G is the formula for time period of oscillation. And this value is equal to 2 seconds. So on the surface of the earth, T is equal to T. 2, that is equal to 2 pi into the value of L, that is length of the simple pendulum is 0.9 meter. So 0.9 divided by G. That will be equation 1. On the other surface of the other planet X, the value of T, time period of oscillation T is equal to, now also it is a second pendulum. So its time period is 2 seconds only, 2. That is equal to 2 pi into square root of L by G1. What is G1? Acceleration due to gravity on the planet X. What is L? The length of the simple pendulum, second pendulum on the planet X, surface of the planet X. Okay. So now, given that G1 is equal to n times greater than G, acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is G. So it is n times greater in the planet X, so Ng. So T is equal to, for the planet X, 2 is equal to 2 pi into square root of L by Ng. Instead of G1, we substitute Ng. Okay. So, by equation 1 and 2, in equations 1 and 2, left hand sides are equal. What are left hand sides? 2 seconds, that's all. So, RHS must also be equal. So, RHS of equation 1 is equation 2, 2 pi into square root of L by Ng. Equation 1 RHS on 2 pi into 0.9 other surface of the L by G. Okay, squaring both sides we get. If you square 2 pi, you will get 4 pi square. You just remove the square into L divided by Ng. 4 pi square L divided by Ng. This side 4 pi square into, remove the square, 0.9 divided by G. So 4 pi square on both sides get cancelled. G on both sides get cancelled. So that means what? L by N is equal to 0.9. That is L is equal to 0.9 into N. So the length of the same pendulum, single pendulum, on the surface of planet X is 0.9. Second pendulum on the surface of the planet X is 0.9 N. Option A is the right answer. Okay. So we'll see one more question from the chapter Oscillations in our next video also. Okay. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.